just wanted to give you a quick overview of how to use Ghost. This is the main bug fix page. If you've connected Sentry, you'll start to see exceptions come in here. You can also create a fix manually by clicking here, choosing the repository. You can edit GitHub access to add or remove any repositories that Ghost has access to. Put in the stack trace and any additional context, and then you can generate the fix. Let's jump into a fix that I've already created. Here you can see the title, the repository, its current status. You can see that it was ingested. And here's the stack trace and additional context. If you want to change additional context or even the stack trace, you can go through and edit this and hit save and restart, and that'll regenerate everything starting from the very beginning. So if things aren't working the way you want, this is a good way to get it started correctly. You can also just regenerate this and it'll just restart from here with exactly what's in this step. First, it'll categorize the exception. In this case, it's solvable, and this is the reason why. Then it'll start gathering context. It tells you which files that are relevant and the reason. And the next thing it will do is generate a root cause analysis. And in this, you also have the ability to edit or just regenerate this step. And if you edit, if you want to make any changes to what it's determined based on what you know, you can make those changes, and the subsequent operations will use that edited version. You can also regenerate any operation that it's done with some additional context to give it more information when it's generating it. And again, any subsequent operations will use the newly generated step. The next thing it does is create a solution plan. In this case, there's just one step. Then it will generate code. And like I said, on each of these, you can always add an additional context to get it to do what you want for that operation. And finally, it will create a PR, and you can click this link to go to it. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or problems.